Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and are ready to rock and roll on the weekend. Today, Friday Freebie is a free printable taking inspiration from my Sparking Field digital paper. We done a project together on Wednesday where we make that 3D multi-tiered card, and today I've designed a free page for you guys to enjoy with the full background papers from the pack. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Friday means freebie, FF, double F, free printable. So today I am gifting you this page here, lovely. So this page has been designed to go with my Sparkling Fields paper. I'm gonna quickly show you the kit. You saw me using this kit on Wednesday when we made the multi-tiered card or embellishment card, pop-up card as you want to call it. So we made this together, so I'll show you how to create a prototype, and then we did this together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's decorated. So in case you missed this video, I will put the link down below. But yeah, very simple card. I know it looks complicated, and the beauty of it is it folds flat, so it just ships into an envelope and off she goes. But I'm gonna keep it on my desk because it's really pretty. I like all this floral, so yeah, it's gonna stay there for a little while. So the kit is huge kit. It's part of my new release, and the reason the inspirations behind this kit was the English countryside, because it's full of really lovely fields, and we've got different background pages. I'm just gonna go really quickly. We got a couple of pages with tags in pink and green. Embellishment, so you've got a really big envelope and two small envelope. Couple of gift boxes, so you've got a cube gift box and a milk carton gift box. And this is what I do guys with my kit, always trying to give you the best value for your money, because in each kit you've got a couple of embellishments, couple of background gift boxes, etc. You've got some more background here as well, and the color palette of this kit is being mustard green and a touch of blue in different shades, because the beauty of it that everything matches. As you can see, if you do big projects together, they all match because the color palettes is designed to blend together. And these 3 pages that you get today goes really well. So it's a bundle of 4 different backgrounds that you can use together with this kit or on its own to create cards, tags, or any embellishment that you guys want to. And so when I did this card, I got lots of different scraps which I kept to here. Are you guys hoarders like I am? I didn't really want to throw it, and I got all these little scraps. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do a collage. I'm going to put them all together and create another different page with all like collage like that. I think it's going to look really cool, because again, because all the colors blend, I think it's going to look really good. So yeah, anyway, don't know why I show you this, but yes, I love this card. I love it. So guys, thank you so much. How do you get this freebie? As usual guys, this gets sent to my newsletter on Friday, every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. So if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, please do it today because it's free. You get a freebie attached to this email once a week, and I'm not here to spam anybody. I haven't got the time, and also it's not nice to spam people's email box. So I send one email every Friday at 9 p.m. and you get a freebie attached to it and some crafting news. Sometimes I put discount code for my digital papers, so I think it's worth subscribing. And if you wish to get the old freebies from last week, 2 weeks ago, etc., on my Facebook group, which I'm going to show you in just a minute, you will see where to find and download all my freebies. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. So now you see how to get them. Today, big shout out goes to the lovely Francine. Francine bought this bundle. So the sparkling field, which is the paper I just showed you, I put it together with my new release into a bundle, which is £10, which you basically get 2 other paper packs for free. And I put Francine comment on the screen now. Francine said, bless her, so supportive. She said that she couldn't choose, so she purchased the bundle. Thank you so much, Francine, for your love and support. It's really appreciated. And thank you to all of you guys that always buy my papers, but mostly take your time to put a like on my comment, like on my video, leave a comment, interact with my content here on YouTube, because as I say all the time, every time you interact with me, it boosts the video. So any support is always much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys, for the continuous love and support. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like my freebie, please huge thumbs up. It really helps with the channel here on YouTube, because you're telling the algorithm how fabulous I am. If you like flowers and butterfly like myself, I will put a couple of links here, guys, for you to watch. One where we did that tunnel card full of butterflies, and another card when we did the diamond fold card, again full of flowers and butterflies. Just a couple of videos, guys, to keep you entertained, and I'm hoping that give you some more ideas. Guys, thank you so much for watching from the bottom of my heart. I had a fabulous weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.